Let's simplify this logarithmic equation. What we have here is 3 log a plus 5 log a minus 6 log a is equal to log 64. Now I'm going to use one of the laws of indices. This coefficient of the logarithm will now become the power of the respective argument. This a here, the argument of the logarithm. So I'm going to rewrite this as log a raised to power 3, okay, plus log a raised to power 5 minus what here? Log a raised to power 6. And this is equal to log 64. Log 64. So from one of the laws of logarithm, when you have plus like this, you multiply the argument. You take the logarithm and multiply the argument. But when you have minus, you then divide. So let's do that. This will be log a raised to power 3 plus you multiply. So times, I can use times or dot, a raised to power what? 5. Then divided, because of the minus, divided by what? A raised to power 6. And this is equal to log 64. One of the laws of indices, see, same base, you add the exponent. So you have log a raised to power what? 3 plus 5 over a raised to power 6. And this is equal to log 64. Then log a raised to power, what is 3 plus 5? That's 8. But this is divided by a raised to power 6. Let me write it like this. And this is equal to log 64. Now, again, one of the laws of indices. See, same base, we are dividing, you subtract their exponent. That will be log a raised to power 8 minus 6 is equal to log 64. And this is log a raised to power, what's 8 minus 6? That's 2, is equal to log 64. Now, because the logarithm here is equal to what we have here, we can actually equate the exponent. But again, the basis must be the same. Here, the default base is 10, and the argument must not be less than 0. So for negative argument, you cannot equate the logarithm. So what am I going to have? A squared is equal to 64. When you square root both sides, you are meant to do this. A is equal to the square root of 64 plus or minus. But because the argument cannot be negative, we are going to reject the negative value here and only stick with the positive value of a. So a is equal to what? 8. And this is the value of a that will satisfy this logarithmic equation. For more content on logarithm like this, I'm going to drop the link to a video where I explain logarithm in detail in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.